In today's video, we are going to be doing this matching lip to our brand new festival lashes. The lash I'm wearing today is the Hippie lash, and it goes perfectly with this pink ombre lip we've got going on. And this look was actually inspired by Lauren B. Brown, who's been doing tons of different lip and lash matching looks, and we were so inspired we had to do one of our own. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, please keep watching. So I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette and applying the shade Less is More to my outer corner and blending into my crease. Like I said, I want to keep it really simple with the eyeshadow because if you're going to a festival and you want to wear this look, typically you do not have time to sit into your makeup for as long as you probably want to. When I've been to festivals before, it's been like go, go, go crazy. So I want to keep this as simple as possible. Now, just to add a little bit of depth, I'm going to take the shade Sexpert and I'm going to apply that in my kind of outer corner and keeping it really concentrated there. Now I'm going to add a little bit of brightness to my lid. I'm going to be using the Benefit Dandelion highlighter. And keeping things simple, I'm actually just going to use my finger to pat that on. Now to add a little bit of a fun touch, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner and I'm going to apply that like in the crease of my eye, just in the very like inner part of my lid. Now of course it's time to apply our MoxieLash Liquid Magnetic Liner. I did most of my liner off camera, but if you guys would like to see any tips or tricks on how to use our liner, we have multiple videos and we will link those down below. Now while I'm waiting for my liner to dry, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. Now while I wait for that to dry, I'm actually going to be doing my lips. So I've pulled 3 different lipsticks to match the Hippie lash, and I feel like they're going to be perfect. The lipsticks are the Huda Beauty Matte Lipstick in Masquerade, the Laura Mercier Cream Lipstick in Rose Mauve, and a Laura Mercier lip liner in Rich Mauve. So I'm going to start off with the Laura Mercier Rose Mauve lipstick, and I'm going to apply that in the center of my lips. You definitely don't have to be precise with this step because we're going to go over it with that darker Masquerade lipstick. Now going over top with the Huda Beauty Masquerade lipstick, and I'm just going to basically use this as like a lip liner. We're going to keep this on the outer edge of my lips. So because it kind of got into the center a little too much, I'm going to blot some of that dark lipstick off. I know it looks a little crazy. We're going to reapply the Laura Mercier lipstick over the top. And so it's going to kind of blend everything out. Then just going to apply that Laura Mercier lip pencil in the very, very center. I'm actually going to go in with one more lipstick. Really need to get that like pink to pop in the center. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro lipstick in the shade Hibiscus. Okay, lipstick is applied. I am loving it. It's time to put on our lashes and complete the look. Today I'm going to be wearing the Hippie lash. I feel like they match pretty well. For lashes and lips to match, I feel like those are pretty good. And now I'm going to quickly brighten up my cheeks with this Pixie Glow palette, and it is in the shade Pink Champagne Glow. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. I love this look. I love these lashes, and this lip together is everything. If you end up recreating this look with one of your own festival lashes, please tag us. We would love to see it. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.